Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ogundeji Samuel Oluwatobiloba, also known as Samuel Cares. I'm the co-founder of SE Concept. So let me just give you a few introduction about myself. I'm a resource personnel with problem-solving skills, loves to market, advertise, and promote legit goods and services of individuals. All right, so that's just what you might need to know about me for now. And then these are my social media handles. So by the time I share this link with you, you can easily click on it, then you'll be redirected to know more about me or to know how we can relate together. So for today, what I want to teach you is how to generate this kind of receipts from your smartphone, especially if you are using an Android device. Look at this kind of receipt. It is the kind of receipt they give you at a supermarket or at some other places that you request a receipt that they will print um, either directly from system or maybe from POS machine. You understand this kind of receipt? So you can see how it is very interesting and attractive. All right. So now look at the heading. That's the logo of my organization. That is SC Concept. SC Concept. Look at the business name, SC Concept. So we have the address, 3 additional percent Ogun State. We have the receipt number. That one will be automatically generated for you from the app. The date you created it, that one will also be automatically generated for you from the app. The time also automatically generated. Served by, you have to include it. That is the receipt was issued by who, you understand? Then the item, quantity and price, that one you can also enter it from the application. So the calculation is not a big deal at all. The application will help you do the calculation. Then subtotal tax, if you include tax, maybe for instance, I just put that tax like 10% so that you can see the calculation of it, whether it's working or not. So I added the tax of to be 10%. So it gave me that price. Of course, as you can see it, yes. So the total as well, that will be automatically generated as well. Then it's in the end, like conclusion, it's saying thank you for shopping with us. That one will also be automatically generated from you. So to create this kind of receipt, so you need to go to the app. So I'll try to be pointing to arrow, as in I'll try to be using the pointed arrow to direct you. So the application I'm using is this free aiding. Yes, free AIDEN. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed. All right. So I was doing it before, so that is why this just came up. So it will direct you to. Let me go back so that you can see how it is. By the time you click on that app, it will take you to an interface whereby you'll be able to select what you want to do from the app. So you will now go to receipt generator. So this is it from the top. Now going down, going down, going down, going down. All right. So this is what we want to use, receipt generator. So you click on it, generate now. Don't mind the hacks. So just try and follow the information you want to do. By the time it pops up like that, just go to the arrow something. It depends on where the arrow something or where the ads notification is for you to select. So you click on it to take it away. So it will take you to the interface of what you want to do. So it has taken me to the place. All right. Now that you are on the interface, so you can start with your business logo. Yes, so you just go to choose file. That is from the store logo. Of course, it's optional. So that one is very optional. So you can choose file. So you select choose file to choose your business logo. That is if you have one. All right. So I have a business logo. So I'll just select it. So I've selected it now. It's done. All right. So after clicking on that, so you can then go to your store name. That is where you see EG, so that you can edit it. You click on it. So store name is SC Concept. Let me move this. All right, SC Concept. All right, that has been included. So you also go to the store address. The store address, which is this place. where you see EG, so you can edit it as well. Store address, let me just try and put an address. This is just a sample work. I'm trying to paraphrase from the one I did. So I can remember vividly, I included the address, let's say 3 additional crescent, Akute, Ogun State. All right, so you add your full stop. Fine. So for the currency, that is also very important. The signs that we are being given here. Look at the signs we are given. We have the USD, we have KSH, then we have the pounds. So it now depends, or is it euro? Yes, it depends on the one you want. Since you don't have the one that is your own there, you can then include it, which is hashtag, just to represent naira. All right, hashtag, use hash, hash to represent naira. Then for the percentage, this percentage, tax percentage is optional. You might decide to include tax to your receipt or not. So since it is optional, as in I want to say it is optional, so this time around, though in the one that were shown in the first image, the tax is 10%, but this one I want to remove it. I don't want to put any tax so that you can see the difference. So let me just remove it. All right, then served by. Yes, this served by, you can also edit it, that this receipt is served by who. Let me put my name again, Ogundeji Samuel O. The O there stands for Oluwatobiloba. Yes, let me make it capital. So O. All right. So now we are now at where it is very important to be very careful. You need to list your items from one place to the other. This item name, that one is item name. Then this place is like quantity. Then this place is the price for each one. You understand? So now to make it very interesting and unique, you need to enter them one after the other. For example, I'm giving you this update from a business center, like a cafe. So that's why some of the details I'll be entering now are just to show you what we are working on here. So let me just put photocopy, photocopy. So that is photocopy. Then the unit price for one is, for this price, you go to the price. We make photocopy at 100 naira. You understand? So you just include the price 100 naira. Then for the quantity, which is the middle one, you now include how many photocopy did the person do. Maybe the person did like 5 photocopies. You understand? So you just put 5. Then you go to this place, add another item. You understand? So if you want to include any other details, because I have other details, so let me just include it. Add other item. So let me put spiral binding. So this one, spiral binding, how many spiral binding did the person do? Let's say the person did like just 2 spiral binding something. The slide as well, you can call it the slide. So let's say the person did like 2, and for each price for one is 300. So you just put 300. All right, that is that about that. So if you want to add any other details, let's say okay, we also laminate. So you click on add another item. So you can see it has given me the third column. It has given me the third column, so that the third column and the row it has given me, so that I can enter the third details I want to do. Okay, laminating. All right, laminating. So the laminating, we have 3 types of what we laminate at where I'm working. We have A3 lamination. The price is higher than the normal A4 laminating. Then ID lamination too. So we will now try to specify laminating ID. ID. Lamination of ID card. That one is 200. So let's say the person just did like 2, or let's put 5. So or let's change number 3, let's make it 3. So the person for each price, unit price is 200 for ID card lamination. So you just put 200. All right, you if you have other details like ID card, like lamination for A4 paper, so you can also do that. Add another item, laminating. So in brackets A4, A4, A4. So that one is unit price. Unit price is 300. So let's leave the quantity at 1. Then for the A3 lamination, add another item. A3 laminating. You can also enter it another way. So like A3 laminating, A A3 laminating. You can include the brackets to everything or just select the A3 laminating so that they can know what you are referring to. So A3 laminating. Then be considerate as well. Don't let your namings be too long. Make it simple and concise. Make sure you are seeing them as you are typing it so that by the time you want to print out, everything will show. You understand? All right. So let's say this A3 lamination. Let's say the person did 7. All right. Quantity for 7. Then each price is 400. Do you know why I'm putting the number anyhow? Because I believe that the application will help me calculate it. So it will not give us issue at all. And you too, you will not have issue on it. So that is that about that. So once you are done, then you go to generate receipt. So you click on it, generate receipt. You can see. So you scroll down to see the details you entered. You can see everything has been entered already. Look at it, see the logo, see the name, the business name, see the address, receipt number. That one automatically generated, the date automatically generated as well, which is today, as you are seeing, as especially today that the video is being recorded. Then the time as well, saved by name. Look at the item, quantity, price, like that. Subtotal, see the total amount of what they are paying, and you can see the ending. Thank you for shopping with us. Very interesting. So if you want to download, it is very important for you to download in the version that you will not have issue with. So for the sake of this class, I'll prefer you try them one after the other for yourself so that you can see the one that works best for you. So because I'm used to the kind of printing that I want to have, it is always an image. You understand? So the best thing I'll just do is to click on download PNG for easy something. So I'll just click on download PNG. So it's loading like that. It will be able to show you something around the place that okay, that's download. You can see it. You can see it. File downloaded. So that means you are good to go. So once that has been done, so you can then go to your window, especially sorry, no window on system. You go back to your home screen. Window is for home screen, but window for phone. You can just go back to your home screen for your go back to your home screen. Then you go to the gallery. So from the gallery you can see receipt. I have the receipt here already. This is what we just created. You can see how interesting it is. So you can also issue this one to your customer. You can even print out if your customer is like okay, they want a printed something, you can print it out anywhere. Or better still, because of getting lost like that, so you can just send this soft copy to your customer and the customer will be very glad. All right, once again, thank you for joining me in this class. I remain your one and only humble Ogundeji Samuel Oluwatobiloba, also known as Samuel Cares. Bye for now.